Hello everyone, this is Afifa Anjum. Today I am going to explain about the arithmetic operators. Before I am going to explain the arithmetic operators, I would like to define some lines about the operators. Operators are special symbols used in programming and mathematics to perform operations on data or variables. They tell the computer what kind of action or calculation needs to be done, such as addition, comparison, or logical decisions. And then types of the operators. There are 8 types of operators. First one is arithmetic operators. It is used for the mathematical operations, and second one is a relational operators used to compare two values, and then logical operators used for logical operations, and then assignment operators used to assign values to variables. Fifth one is bitwise operators, work on bits such as ones and zeros. And then condition or ternary operators used for decision making, that condition is whether true or false. Unary operators, operations that work on a single operand, such as increment and or decrements. And then special operators includes operators like size of, address of, pointer, and comma. Then the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are the basic symbols used in programming languages and the mathematical mathematics to perform numerical calculations. They allow a program to perform operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and finding reminders. These operators are fundamental in writing expressions, solving mathematical problems, and developing logical programs. Almost all programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python support arithmetic operators. And then types of arithmetic operators. First one is addition. The addition operator is used to add two operands. It is commonly used to calculate totals, sums, and the combined numerical values. Example: a plus b gives the sum of a and b. And then the subtraction. This operator subtracts the second operand from the first operand to find the difference and calculate the remaining values. Example: a minus b gives the difference between the a and b. And third one is multiplication. The multiplication operators multiplies two operands. It is used in mathematical formulas, repeated addition, and product calculations. Example: a hash star b gives the product of a and b. Division. The division operator divides one operand by another. It produces the quotient of the division. Example: a by b gives the result of the dividing a and a by b. Note: division by 0 is not allowed because division by 0 is infinity. Modulus, which is known as a remainder also. The modulus operator returns the remainder after the division. It is very useful in program involving cycles, patterns, and the checking even or odd numbers. Example: a percentage b gives the remainder when a is divided by b. Sixth one is increment. The increment operator increases the value of a variable by 1. It is commonly used in loops and counting operations. Examples: a plus plus first use the value and then increases it. Plus plus a means pre-increment, and previous a plus plus is also known as post-increment. And plus plus a is known as pre-increment. Increases value first, then uses it in the program. Then the decrement, it is also same as the increment, but it reduces the one variable. The decrement operator decreases the value of a variable by 1. It is mainly used in reverse counting and loops. Example: a minus minus means post decrement, minus minus a means pre decrement. And then importance of the arithmetic operators. They help to perform mathematical calculations in program. They are essential in loops, algorithms, and the data processing. They make expressions shorter and easier to understand, widely used in scientific engineering and the financial applications. Then the program of a means arithmetic operators. Hash include stdio.h, int main, void, then int a comma b, semicolon, printf. First we print, enter two numbers. Then printf addition equals to percentage d a plus b, means first one is addition, then subtraction, then multiplication and division, then modulus. Then we also include that increment and decrements of the program, and we see the next output of the program how it comes. Enter two numbers, we entered 10 and 5 numbers, and then addition is 15, subtraction is 5, multiplication is 50, division is 2, modulus is 0, increment of a 10, a equals to 10, value of a after increment equals to 11. I told you about that. Increment means a variable is increased by one variable 1. Then decrement means it is decreases by a variable by 1, means decrement of b is 5, value of b after decrement equals to 4. And thank you for this opportunity.